Hi, Leave Assad from Ancient Gamers with another quick tutorial on how to utilize the Unity Share. First, once you go ahead and go to the Dropbox, you'll select the file that is the latest version, and you'll always see by modified or by version number. It should have the latest version. You'll download this and you'll get a Unity package. Save this Unity package somewhere in your system, and then once you have saved it, go ahead and right click on import package, custom package, and browse to the location where you downloaded that package. Import it, and once it's imported, go to Tools, Ancient Gamers, Project List window. In Project List window, you'll see several locations or several things, and we'll go over this real quick. The username and password is only utilized if you need to upload a project and it requires a authorization from my website or from me to be able to create a project. If you want to do that, reach out to me in the Atavism community and we will provide you with a username and password. And then you can then share your projects with any of the users within the Atavism community. Uh, the website username and password are going to go away in the next version, but they're designed to work with this Manage Downloads button, which allows you to map things out within the project and have people download it and click a button and have it download directly. There's no reason for users to actually log in, so we're going to remove that and have that. So the very first thing that you should do, regardless of whether you log into the system or you are not logged into the system, is click the Fetch Project List. This is going to grab all of the projects that are in the system. If you have a username and password and you want to upload, this will also log you into the system, and in the next version it will indicate whether you are logged in or logged out, and so you'll have a quick indication of whether you are authorized to do something within the system. The project list is a list of all projects that are in the environment, and anybody that creates a project will then create the projects through here, and they will appear for all users. This is an all or nothing. There is no way to currently in the current version to highlight or hide any items. This items per page does have an indication that's associated with these. So if you change the items per page, it will automatically adjust the amount of items that are within that page for visual displays. So that way you can have a larger display if you like, if there's not enough. Always leave enough room to expand your thing for the short and long descriptions. So simply by expanding or clicking on any one of the projects, you'll notice that there's a download button that is attached. And inside of this, it will indicate what this download is for. Is it a scene, or is it as a Unity package, or is it an individual item? This system supports individual items or full folders being dragged into it. So if you have a individual item that is being added, it will load that in there, and when you click download, it will download this back to the original location in the project. This is really important, and the next version will have the project path of where it's actually stored at. Because if you have a file that is in your folder in this location, it will replace that file. This is a prefab, and it does contain all of the objects that are within that. So any settings or anything that are within the prefab, when you add it to the project, are automatically uploaded and saved in here. And you'll see that we've got a Unity package here, and this is because I dragged a folder into this and created a package out of that. But as we go down, you'll see that there could be packages that might have multiple. And so this package right here has multiple packages in it, and it's two different folders within this process, and you'll want to make sure that when you create this, that you have all of your items that are associated within there. So any item that is in here, you can download and it will automatically appear back in the original location. To create a new project, you would go to this, you would type in your new project name. You would click a short description, a long description, and click on New Submit New Project. This will then submit the project to the system, I haven't logged in, so you'll get an error message that you're not authorized. Otherwise, it will create the project. So over in the modify project, if you were logged in, it would give you the objects that you could select. If you tried to do anything with this, it will tell you that you were unauthorized because you were not the owner of the project, first off, and you were not logged in, second off. So you have to be logged in order for any of these functions to be available. And you also have to own the project. So if you're the creator by the project, and by that I mean when you went to new project and you created a project here, then you were listed as the authorized owner of this and you can make modifications to this project. Once you have created this project, you can come in here and click update on this, and it will allow you to log into the system. And at that point in time, you can then make some changes. So if we go ahead and log in here, and simply log in is just clicking fetch project list, and then you can then come in here and any of the ones that you own, you can then make some changes to those projects. So we'll go a new project here, and we'll description, and we'll update the project, and you'll see that project should have been updated successfully. And if we go fetch project list, we'll see that that project should have a um, a new project list here. So this is really important to make sure that we have all of these things properly set up. But this is how you use the system, and all of my files and assets and sharing things are going to be going in here. So if I tell you to utilize the project share, this is where all of these files will be, and this is how you utilize the system. Thank you very much for watching and taking the time to join us on this one, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.